Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to add custom text on iPhone lock screen. For example, if you lock your screen and if you want to add your custom text, which means you want to add your name or anything like that on the lock screen. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to wallpaper, and after that you have to simply click on add new wallpaper. And if you check here, you will not find any settings which allows you to add a custom text on your lock screen. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the app store, and here what you have to do, you have to simply search for an app which is named as Elite Text. So here you have to simply search for Elite Text widgets, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply download and install the app, and you have to simply open that app. And after opening the app, what you have to do, you have to simply get start. So here what you have to do, you have to simply add widget 1, which is as simply you can simply type any thing like don't touch my phone. So if I write here don't touch my phone, so after that you can simply add that on your lock screen, that text. So here you have to simply click on done, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and after that you can simply see that the widget 1 is added. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the lock screen here, and you have to simply click on plus button here, and you have to simply add an app. From here you have to simply click on that, and after that you can simply add an app from here. And after adding an app, you can simply go for widget option. So you have to simply click on that, and you can press and hold, and you will add customize option, and after that you have to simply click on that, and you can simply add widget from here. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply click on that, and you can simply search for that widget. So here you can simply see that here is written don't touch my phone. So you can simply add that widget, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply close this, and after that you can see that that widget has been added, and you can simply click on done, and your widget has been added, and you can simply see that custom text has been added on your lock screen. So in this way you can simply add any text on your lock screen without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.